In this video, I'm going to show you how to cut and sew a dress or a top with a scrub neckline. If that's what you like to learn, make sure to continue watching till the end and pay attention because making a scrub neckline needs detailing and perfection. So here is what I have made. This is how it looks. You see how neat it's looking. The scrub neckline is neat. So what you're going to do, you're going to get the neck width you want. I'm going to be using 4 inches, depending on how wide you want it to be, but 4 inches should be maximum. Then you are going to get the depth. The depth I use for this is 9 inches. You can as well use 8 inches or 7. Then you are going to mark ½ inch here depending on the width of your scrub neckline. Mine is 2 inches, so I have marked ½ inch here. I'm going to go ahead and connect this like this. So this marking I made now on the center front, you are going to, it's dependent on how the width of your placket is. So remember I said mine is 2 inches. I have marked ½ inch in. So next I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. I like to be very careful when I'm cutting this because if it's more than it, it will affect it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is how the neckline is going to look like at this point. If you measure this place, it will give you 1 inch. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my interfacing to iron on this place. After ironing it, this is how it's looking, just to stabilize it for you to work. Then you are going to go ahead and get the placket you're going to use. My placket here on fold measures 2.5 inches, as you can see. And then I have interfaced it with a woven interfacing just for stability. I did the same thing on the other side. So next thing you're going to do now is you're going to place this here and then sew ½ inch. Make sure this placket extends more than where you have marked. Then on the other side, you're going to do the same thing. You are going to place the placket here on the neckline and also sew from the beginning to ½ inch below where your neckline stopped. So here I have marked ½ inch so that this will guide me. If you're a beginner, make sure you mark this or else you can eyeball it. So after sewing it, make sure you notch this place. Just lift up the first layer and notch close to where you have sewn. See what I'm doing? Notch it close to where you have sewn. Make sure you just lift the first one up, not exactly close to it, or else it's going to have a smile line. But make sure you don't cut open that place. So you're going to go ahead and turn this over like this. Take your time and do this, because if you notch too much, it's a problem. If you notch too short, it's a problem. So this is it after sewing it. You see how neat it is? Very neat. Then you're going to go ahead and turn this over like this. Make sure to hold it down so that what you have arranged will not scatter. And then you go ahead and sew from here to here. After you're done sewing it, your scrub neckline is almost ready. So you're going to go ahead and open it out. It should look like this. Then next final, you're going to sew here. If you have watched this video till this time, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And remember to give me a thumbs up, please. That's a way to support. And after I was done sewing the whole boo-boo gown style, this is how everything is looking. Make sure to subscribe, turn on all notification bell icon, and support me by dropping a comment or sharing this video out. It will mean and go a long way. See you guys soon.